Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are planning to cancel your Frontier internet service, it is important to understand the process before making the final decision because internet cancellation sometimes includes billing details, equipment return, or account verification. Some users want to cancel because they are moving, switching providers, or simply no longer need the service. Others get confused about whether stopping payments automatically ends the internet plan, but that is usually not the case. Frontier internet accounts often require an official cancellation request, so there are no unexpected charges later. Taking a few minutes to follow the correct process can help avoid confusion and make the transition smoother. In this video, I will show you step by step how to cancel Frontier internet properly. Try this. Step 1. Sign into the Frontier internet account using the Frontier internet website or customer portal. Step 2. Review the Frontier Internet account details and check for any active agreement or billing information. Step 3. Contact Frontier Internet customer support to request cancellation of the Frontier Internet service. Step 4. Confirm any return instructions for Frontier Internet equipment like the Frontier Internet router or modem. Step 5. Ask Frontier Internet to confirm the final cancellation date for the Frontier Internet account. Step 6. Check the Frontier Internet account again to make sure the Frontier Internet service has been cancelled successfully.